Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. Alright, sorry guys, it was super windy and the audio quality was really bad during the intro, but I'm just going to skip straight into the top 10 ways to make $100 extra per month as an Uber and a Lyft driver. Alright, let's go. Alright, so the very first way, this is probably my favorite way. I've met the company, I've met the team. They had a launch party in Los Angeles a couple weeks ago that I got to go, and I met all of them there, but it's called Play OCTOPUS. If you have not heard of them yet, they are expanding like crazy. They just launched in LA, like I said, as well as Chicago, and they're in a bunch of different markets. So if they're not in your market yet, you can still sign up and join the waiting list for when they do launch in your market. But what they are basically an advertising company. They give you a tablet, and if you're a driver and you do 100 rides per month, you can qualify. And they send you a tablet and you put it, like I can just show you right here. I don't currently have it set up, but you'll put a little tablet right here in the back of your car. And so when your passengers are sitting in the back, they're playing games on the car. Like I said, I haven't currently set this up to drive for Uber and for Lyft. I just got this car. So, you know, as you guys know, it takes a little bit of time to get set up. But that's why I don't have it. But yeah, and your passengers play games in the car. I've already made videos on just this one. I did a whole unboxing video, so you can check that out too. And in between the games, your passengers will see ads for like companies, and that's how you get paid. So yeah, drivers, they say, can make up to $100 extra per month. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. All right, the second way, number two, is with a company called Cargo. They are awesome. They actually have a partnership with Uber. They're probably the biggest, yeah, maybe the biggest company that helps Uber drivers make more money. I think they have like 50,000 drivers or something. I might be wrong, but there's a lot of drivers using Cargo, and drivers can make up to, I heard one of their founders or somebody who works there saying that around 10% of drivers who use Cargo make $300 per month. So those are probably like the full-time drivers. But what they do is they send you a box of snacks, a box of goodies, and you sell those to your passengers. And a lot of them are actually free samples. And the way that works is that companies want to give out free samples. You know, that's how like word of mouth spreads. And so you know, they pay Cargo, and then you get a portion of that. So yeah, you can start making some money with that. It's really easy. You just set it up in your car, put it in your center console. So yeah, that's Cargo. All right, number 3 is stereo. So I can just show you right in here. The way that this works is you put in your phone right here, and you just have it set up, or wherever you have it set up, and you will download, you'll download the stereo app, and that way they send you music. There's music playlists on the app, and every single song that you play, you get paid extra money. Wow, that's crazy, right? So the way that this works, because I asked them and I love business and how business actually works, the way they do it is that small artists and record labels who are trying to promote artists, they pay stereo to play music in their car, because throughout history, radio has been the #1 way for songs to get discovered. So they said, well, you know, people don't really listen to the radio that much anymore, but people are streaming music, so let's combine the two. And basically they're like advertising their songs to your rideshare passengers. That's how it works. And so you do have to have passengers in your car. You can't just drive around and listen to it on your own. I know, sorry, they already figured that out. But yeah, you can make up to, there was one driver who's doing it, driving full time, and I think he made like $100 in 2 weeks. So yeah, I think, yeah, you can figure it out. You're just download and sign up, but you can make at least $100 per month with stereo. All right, the next one is Rapify. So as you can see right here, look at my car, guys. Look at this huge door handle, right? Or door, backseat door, huge door, and right here, huge window. What is this? What is it? That's advertising space. I know, right? You can put ads on your car. Rapify will pay you as an Uber and a Lyft driver. They know drivers. Some drivers are driving thousands of miles a month, right? How much, like, yeah, you can put on a lot of miles on your car when you drive Uber and Lyft, but that's basically free advertising space. Or not free, you get paid. Rapify, some drivers making like $300, $400 per month with Rapify. And they do have drivers who drive for Uber and Lyft, and I don't even think you have to be a driver. You could just, you know, drive in your morning commute to work. And you get paid on miles that you put on your car, like in busier areas. So if you're driving a lot in the city, you get paid more than if you're just driving, I don't know, in the middle of nowhere at like 2 a.m. No one's really gonna see that ad. So they track you, where you're driving, that's how you get paid. So definitely check out Rapify. All right, number 5. This is a new one that I recently discovered through one of my buddies. He told me about this, and he was like, dude, Dylan, I'm getting free gas. He's like, I don't have to pay for gas anymore. I'm like, what? So, and actually, he actually gets paid now to use this app. It's called GetUpside, and I just started using it too, which I can just show you guys right here if you can follow me. So the way it works is, I have an app right here. This is what it looks like. Can you see that right there? Can you see the middle one? GetUpside. This is my app here, and it's really simple. So the way that it works, don't mind my location, I'm not currently there, but I get, look at this, they have gas stations where I can go and I'll get $10.41 back per gallon that I use. Isn't that crazy? So, and they say you can do up to 50 gallons. So I'm gonna go and get all my friends and we're gonna fill up our gas tanks. And once I do that, I take a photo of the receipt, upload it to here, and I will get $10.41 per gallon back. And this is through referrals. So if you use my referral code, I'll leave it, you get, I think it's like 20 cents or 25 cents back for your first, and then yes, I'm encouraging you to also sign up your friends too for this. And that way, every time they fill up gas, you get that like bonus. And I've already gotten like Amazon gift cards. This thing's crazy, but yeah, I'll easily make like $500 when I fill up for that. Those are just through referrals, and I don't even hardly plug them in my video. I don't even usually have them linked in my description because I don't like to just do out anything, but I think I'm going to now. It's pretty cool. So GetUpside, that's the next one. You can make a lot of money with that. Like I said, I have a buddy who I think he's making like $1,000 a month just through referring his friends to do it, because everyone needs gas. Well, except for me. I mean, unless you're driving an electric car. But I have a gas-powered car too. And I have most people drive gas-powered cars. So, GetUpside. All right, number 6. Number 6, guys. The 6th one is Firefly. Firefly, what they do is they put like a little sign on the top of your car, and it's like an animated sign, or animated, whatever you want. Like the sign is digital. That's what I was thinking of. It's a digital ad, so it's not just one sign. It's a little digital ad that they put on your car. They are very strict on who they sign up. I've talked to them, and I believe they only sign up drivers who are full-time and driving in like cities. I'm pretty sure, like I said, I'm pretty sure they're strict. So, you know, if you're driving in Timbuktu, Idaho for 4 hours a month, you probably won't get signed up for that. But it's called Firefly. Check them out. I tried reaching out to them, and well, I did talk to somebody, but that was on like Facebook Messenger. But I tried to reach out to them and like, you know, learn more about it, but they didn't respond to me. So, but if you want to sign up as a driver, I'm not a full-time driver, so I didn't really meet the requirements. But if you are, then you could do that. Again, this one is not for everyone, and a lot of these things will not be for everyone, depending on your market. So, but yeah, you can check them out and find out on your own if you can qualify. Start making some more money with Firefly. All right, the 7th way to make an extra $100 per month, simply through tips, okay? If you are a new driver, if you're thinking about it, this is something that I would say most drivers do not take advantage of. A lot of drivers, I mean, so I just graduated from college. I just graduated from UC Berkeley, go Bears. And while I was there, I took Ubers quite a bit, almost every day. I lived like 15 minutes from, well, I lived like 5 minutes from class, walking distance, but one of my classes was like on the other end, and you know, I'm always running late, so a lot of times I'll just take like an Uber pool to class, because, you know, whatever, want to get there, and faster. And most drivers just get in, they don't even say hi, they don't even greet you, and no, I'm not going to tip them for that. But when I do get a driver who looks me in my eye, he like asks me, hey, do you want the AC on, really does anything like good, I always tip. So there's a lot of things you can do to increase your tips. And like, yes, you're gonna have to be nice, you're gonna have to like smile at your passengers, and you're gonna have to keep the inside of your car clean. Like, it sounds like, you know, no-brainers, but I would say 95% of drivers just neglect it. They don't care at all. They'll just say, oh well, no one tips anyway, so why even try? But in reality, all it takes is for you to just go out of your way, be nice, and you can start seeing your tips increase like crazy. And also with Play Octopus, I've noticed that when I use Play Octopus, I get a lot more tips because passengers are like, well, I get to play free games in this car. This is like the funnest car ever. So yeah, you can make up to, well, I would say probably over $100 per month. Yeah, probably a couple $100 per month with tips. All right, number 8, guys. Numero ocho. Numero 8. Number 8, guys. It is by advertising your own business. If I know, there was a study that actually recently came out by Uber, you know, when they sent out their surveys, they sent out a survey, and 50% of drivers are working on their own business on the side. They're pursuing another business. I thought it was amazing. I also am pursuing another business. I have a couple different things I'm working on. Nothing super successful yet. You know, I'm not a quadrillionaire, but or else, well, I don't know. Maybe I would still drive rideshare because I do think it is really fun. But you can advertise your own business. I have a buddy, Greg. He's been on the channel before. So what he does is he's a digital marketer, and every single person he gets, if he's having a conversation with his pastor and they're a small business owner, he'll offer his services to them, like on the side, and he's gotten tons of new clients. Even myself, like I have this YouTube channel that you're currently watching. Yeah, like you probably clicked on this video and you probably saw an ad, and during that, when you watch that ad or skip the ad, I probably got paid like 1 cent or something, right? It's not that much, but it does add up. And I've gotten so many subscribers, and maybe you're even watching this, maybe you are my passenger. I've had gotten so many subscribers and more views, and you know, every little cent adds up. And just from driving rideshare, a lot of times they'll say, oh, because you know, if you're a driver, you know, passengers always ask, oh, how often do you drive? How much do you make? Passengers just love asking super personal questions about rideshare. I don't know why, but they do. And so usually I'll just say, oh, well, he's asking me, and say, oh, I actually have a YouTube channel where I talk about my rideshare experience. And I say, subscribe, right? I make them subscribe in the car. You know, I'm that guy. So, but whatever you might do, if you're pursuing something on the side, make business cards, have a website. I don't know, tell your passengers to, whatever, if you can find a way for them to sign up for your business or join your email list or whatever. I don't know what you do. Maybe maybe you don't have anything. Maybe this doesn't apply to you. But if you do, if you're an entrepreneur, rideshare is a great way. You just tons of free advertising. All right, number 9. This one, I guess this is more of a saving one. But the way that this works is when you're driving rideshare, you have your overall revenue, right? How much money you bring in every day, and then you have your costs. So, and then what you take in the middle is your profit. So what I like to do is I like to eliminate a lot of my costs. Which, as you can see, you know, I will be driving an electric vehicle for rideshare, so I'm not paying for gas or a lot of maintenance. But this one is with Mile IQ, or there's another one called QuickBooks, or you can even just do this on your own. It's just tracking your miles, and every single mile that you use for rideshare is a tax deduction. Currently in 2019, it's 58 cents per mile that you will have a tax deduction. That's money, income that is not taxable. And so when you're tracking all your miles, you can, like, you know, if you're driving thousands and thousands of miles, that's a lot of money that adds up as a tax deduction. Also tracking your expenses. I am not a certified public accountant. I am a YouTuber. Talking in a parking lot, you know, do not take this as legal advice. Talk to an accountant. Yes, pay money to talk to an accountant, and that is knowledge that you will have for the rest of your life. I highly recommend it if you have to pay $100 to talk to it, accountant. A lot of them even have free consultations. You just talk to them for an hour, and yeah, you can choose to use them as your accountant or just gain that knowledge for your own. So yeah, you can tracking your miles is a way to save, again, thousands of money, thousands of dollars, so you can profit more. So yeah, it's more of like saving, eliminating your costs, and then so you can profit more. All right, the 10th and final way to make an extra $100 per month or more. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. Let's roll out the red carpet and give yourself a round of applause for making it to the end of the video. This is by far my favorite way to make extra money. It is through passenger and driver referrals. And gosh, I really need to make like an hour-long video on this because there is so much you can get into. But I have signed up countless, yeah, I've lost count at this time, countless passengers and countless drivers to sign up for Uber and for Lyft. And Uber and Lyft highly encourages it. They even say in the app, I feel like every time I open my app, there's always a little pop-up that says, refer a new passenger, refer a new driver. And every single time you sign up a new passenger, you get like $5 or $10. And that adds up, and there's tricks to this. So every time you're driving, like the best way you do it is you drive for both platforms, both Uber and Lyft. And every time you get a passenger for Lyft, you ask them if they want to sign up for Uber, and they get a free ride. And, you know, tell them like, oh, it's a free promo for today. You know, whatever. Get them to sign up, and you can get 5-10 extra bucks. And you can do the same thing for drivers too. You can find your passengers or find your friends. I don't know. Find people who you really care about, and maybe they're trying to get ahead too and drive for Uber or increase their income. Get them to sign up, tell them to use your code or whatever. And yeah, that's another way to increase your income of, I would say, over $100 per month. So anyways, guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And also, make sure to subscribe, destroy the subscribe button so you do not miss another video. You don't want to have FOMO. You want to be watching FOMO is fear of missing out, for all you guys who don't know what that is. You don't want to miss out on my videos because this is our job, you know, let's make more money together. Thank you all for watching. I will talk to y'all soon. Have a good day, guys. Bye.